Hello everyone, welcome to Joyce Farkas Fluid Art. Today I'm working on this large bloom blowout. This is a 20 by 20 canvas. And I have to apologize right off the bat because guess who forgot to turn her camera on? It was a Monday morning and I blame that it was a Monday, but I kind of think it's a little bit of old age creeping in there. Hate to admit it, but I seem to do this quite often. Anyway, so you didn't get to see put my colors down, but you can tell already that this bloom is going to be really unique and really pretty. I haven't even begun to spin it yet. I'm letting it kind of settle into itself and making sure those center cells set up. But this turns out to be probably the most favorite painting I have ever done. The colors are just spectacular. And, pardon me, I used some brand new Triart liquid paints, which, as you can see from the colors in this, turned out to be fantastic. I simply added a little bit of color to my pouring medium. My pouring medium is 50% Valspar and 50% Behr 8300 while I still have it. Still have about another can left. Anyway, I added a touch of water to thin it down a little bit because I like them a little thin, especially for these large blooms. To get that watercolor effect, I do thin it down a little bit. There's no JoSonja or JoSonja in this, the JoSonja gloss varnish. There is none of that in any of my paints here. Like I said, just pouring medium and just a drop of water. And then I use a blow dryer on cold, and I try to stay about a foot away from where I'm blowing, and I blow low and slow and on cold, and that's pretty much it. I'm going to let you finish out watching the rest of this video. Stay to the end to see a close-up video of this painting. It has gotten on my personal page, I might hit 500 likes by the time it's done, but it's been very popular on Facebook posts and groups. So anyway, I'm going to let you finish watching, and we'll talk to you again soon. Happy painting, everyone. Bye for now. It is freaking amazing. I am so thrilled. I'm going to try to turn this. It's very wet. But look at this color and shimmer. Oh my goodness. I am in love with this painting. So my good friend gave me a gift certificate to Fluid Art Co. for Christmas. And I ordered a whole bunch of the Triart liquids. And I added them to my pouring medium. No JoSo at all. Just pouring medium and a little water. And this is stunning. Sorry for the glare. Is that not freaking amazing? Holy cow. This is a 20 by 20 canvas. It is going to be amazing.